There are two parts of plant. 1. Root system. 2. Shoot system. Lower part is called root system. Upper part is called shoot system. Root system has primary and secondary roots. Shoot system has stem, leaf, flower, fruit, and seed. Root absorbs minerals and water from soil. Stems provide support to the plant, holding leaves, flowers, and buds. In some cases, stems also store food for the plant. The leaves are the primary food-making part of the plant. They change sunlight into energy through photosynthesis. The primary purpose of flower is reproduction. During the reproductive process, flowers make use of their colorful petals to attract pollinators. The fruit's primary function is to protect the seeds. Seeds produce new plants. It also stores food for embryo development. Hope you will understand. Please like and subscribe.